Quality assurance in supermarkets with Testo Saveris Food Stores. At the retail chain's headquarters, a quality manual is created or updated with the Testo Saveris cockpit and rolled out to all stores at the touch of a button. On site, it is easily adapted to local circumstances. And after just a few minutes, the whole store works according to the new regulations. Deliveries are checked at the incoming goods area. In addition to the Testo Saveris control unit, a combined infrared and penetration thermometer is used. Perfect for measurements of surface and core temperature. The Testo Saveris Food Stores data loggers measure and monitor multiple parameters. An alarm is displayed on the tablet if predefined limits are violated. In addition, clear instructions for corrective measures are given. Testo Saveris products are also used in the store's in-house production. The solution's exchangeable probes can be flexibly combined with the universal handle. Ideal for food preparation where cooking oil quality needs to be checked in addition to various temperatures. The measurement values are transferred wirelessly to the Testo Saveris control unit. On the sales floor, the Testo Saveris control unit supports staff in their quality tasks with guided checklists. Stored pictures provide additional security, and inconsistencies are quickly documented with the photo function of the tablet. All information is provided to the store management in a clear overview via PC, smartphone, and tablet. Corrections can be carried out straight away by the staff. In the Testo Saveris cockpit's dashboard, the branch management sees immediately whether all tasks are performed according to the new regulations. Thanks to Testo Saveris Food Stores, quality management at headquarters always has the certainty that all quality standards are transparently implemented. Digital, efficient, and reliable.